Hello, you're watching a brief demo of work order completion using RF Smart for NetSuite. What you can see on the screen is a live mirroring of RF Smart onto a Zebra TC70 device operating in real time against NetSuite. RF Smart can be used on a wide range of devices. From the main menu screen, I'm going to select Work Order Completion. This RF Smart application is used to complete stock from a given work order and create it in your warehouse so that you can ship it to your customers or to your stores. I can enter the work order number. I can use the load work orders button to see work orders that are ready for completion, or I can scan the work order. I've got a barcode here, so I'm going to scan the work order. You'll notice that now RF Smart is telling me what this work order is producing, the staging bin it's going to place it in, and the quantity. Because this is a lot control product, I need to also identify the lot number that I'm producing, so I'm going to go ahead and scan a barcode for that. If this product was expiry date controlled, it would have also asked me to enter the expiry date. If the lot number already exists, as it is in this case, it doesn't ask me to enter it. It takes the expiry date from the existing lot number. In this case, I'm going to build one package of this dog food, and I'm also going to scrap one package. So this enables you to consume the components for two, create one, and scrap one, and all the accounting entries are done in NetSuite appropriately. So now that I've hit enter on that, you can see that one has been built for the order, one has been scrapped, and all the updates have been done directly in NetSuite. Thank you for watching.